Greetings and salutations to all, most respected to our judges and the organizing committee for organizing this competition, so where we can express our thoughts on the Indian Railways, which in the upcoming future of our Indian Railways. It is a pride and privilege that I am here to speak about the upcoming revolution of Indian Railway in the year 2047, which is a symbol of nation's development, transformation and progress. We can see our country's Indian Railway in 2047 as if the era of technology, innovation, connectivity and sustainability. The journey of train began with a very small train of locomotive of 3 coaches, which came into a revolution, and now in various developing countries, now it has become a major point of development of countries from the state of developing countries till the state of becoming a developed country. There are various technologies like AI, intelligence and automation systems. There are various trains emerging like cutting-edge trains, cutting-edge engine locomotives, which helps in the maintenance issues and priorities of it helps in proactively, so that there is no disturbance for the passengers and they can have a better experience in the future. Together with that, there are various new concepts coming up, like the concept of hypersonic trains. The current train, fastest train in India, is the Vande Bharat Express, achieving a speed of 160 km per hour. It is a prototype of bullet train, which is still in progress of development. The current most speed train is the Shanghai Maglev train, which is in China. Approx speed is about 650 to 750 km per hour. But now a new concept has arrived, that is the hypersonic railway concept. In that concept, it is estimated that the approx speed will be around 1800 km per hour. So this is a very emerging technology, and we believe that our country, India, will be at the stage in 2047 where it will also welcome the new technology coming era of transportation, that is the hypersonic species. There are various, not only in technological assessment but also in environmentally and architecturally, Indian Railway is developing more and more every day. The solar panel system, add-on tracks and various systems are used for the renewable energy resources to be conserved and used in the railway stations for the working of Indian Railways. Not only that, the storage system of trains, the freezing system has been developed so that more of the goods can be stored and preserved in a better way. So we can see our country developing much more and more in the upcoming days, and we believe in till 2047 our country will be in the stage of all the major countries, developed countries of the world, also in terms of transportation. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.